meet the starter unit of your Abra Weavers.
Crowd is engaged and we are underway dito. See a 4-1 so far under, for Abra under his watch as Marco Balagtas nails the jumper.
Ayun talaga nagagawa ni Marco. He can...
Out to Sumang. Binabantayan ni JK Casino. Roy Sumang atake. And that's the Roy Sumang that we're used to seeing.
Playing his heart out para dito sa Weavers.
6-2. Apasible drop pass to Balagtas. He's got all 4 points for the Golden Coolers.
A defensive consecutive time, we see them go in and attack.
Yeah, nice delivery galing kay Apasible para kay Balagtas. Paundo sa ilalim. Palpalang inabot kay Balagtas. Marco. Jumper. Yes!
Wow.
Gaano kaingay yung crowd, ganun din kakalmado si Marco Balagtas.
Yun na nga.
Casino. It's with Apasible now. Back to Casino. Marco B. Yes,
oh,
sir.
Man. Marco's consistent.
Surviving that initial wave from the Weavers. Marco Balagtas has been on point from the perimeter. 8-6 ang ating talaan. Iniwan ang bantay. Veloria with a runner.
Well, it seems like si Veloria, tinutuloy lang niya.
Clearly defined.
Right.
And we have an Abra team still looking how to play against these teams as Comboy has kept on shooting.
Yep.
And now, 8 seconds to shot clock. Apasible. Jumper is good.
Oh, the perimeter shots have just been really good.
Sumang. 5 seconds to shot clock. Clemente is open. Corner three is good.
Well, finally, you get Abra.
There's Marquis. Sidorifa. Yes. And one thing you like about Joseph Sidorifa is that
their shots have just been really...
They get the ball to Talio. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Mac Talio for three. Oh my goodness. Done a lucky fan of the game brought to you by Buenas. And that was Mac Talio. Pinasaya ang crowd dito. Best player against San Juan. Agovida will fire.
Boy. Those last two shots are well defended, Sidel. In overtime, that was real good.
Oh, drops to the floor. What a pass!
What a
Scam
pass!
is looking away. And find 21-20. Tonton Bringas against Agovida. Out to Sidorifa. Jumper is
there you
good.
go. Now, you were talking about making shots in the...
Sidorifa. Umatake. Sidorifa. 8 points. Inko Balagtas. Back to Alday. Alday lumapit. Apasible with a jumper. That's good.
Apasible get...
Cañete. 2 seconds of shot clock. Cañete. With a very forceful drive. It's Clemente. Greniel. The jumper is good. And the foul.
Boy, how crafty is Greniel. Jab step, jab step. That lift right there.
Rebound nakuha ni Sherwin Concepcion for three.
There you go. That's your answer, Sidel. There you go.
Balagtas inside.
Oh, what a block.
Paundo. Galing kay Casino. Veloria is ahead of the pack. Veloria will lay it in for two.
Well, really, it's because of the...
Set to check in. Cañete. Extra pass. Paundo for two.
Ayun ang dahilan. Kaya kailangan talaga siya sa loob ng...
For three. Balagtas with the offensive rebound. Balik kay Alday. Alday for three. Yes!
And you do know that Alvin Alday eventually is going to make...
Sherwin Concepcion, the step back three. Yes!
Figure that out. They want an empty set here.
Sumang gets away and lays it in for two.
And you just love a point guard with that mentality. I mean,
Is back up by 6 points here. And we will be right back with 15 seconds left. Viloria, Alday for 3. That's good. And Coach Young's half performance, and Coach Young knew it even before the pass was made.
That's right. That's right.
Alwin Alday. Alday has it ahead to Viloria. Perfect pass.
That's the 1-2 punch of Rizal right there. Clean
Against Balagtas. Yi backing down on Balagtas. Spins. Yi. The hook
Oh, man.
is good. Welcome. Rizal. Viloria behind the back. The kick out to Alday. 3 ball is good.
That's where they're best at. Points.
You know, will punish you pag hindi ka disiplinado sa depensa. But Roy Sumang says, what are you saying?
Yeah. And see.
Balagtas, the jumper, yes.
Oh, man. And nangyari yun kasi si Marky had to help out on that attack.
That's it to Escamis. Sidorifa is open.
That
That's
looks good. Yeah, that looks good. From the moment it left his hand, he has been vital in that rotation on the defensive side.
Clemente.
Good fake.
Nice fake. Binigay kay Yi. Mark Yi.
Oh, yeah.
Alday looks away and finds Agovida for the basket.
Yeah, that's the thing that separates the points of...
Clemente, binabatay si Craniel Viloria. Viloria, Agovida for 3. That's good.
That one's huge. Craniel had nowhere to go. That defense was out there.
Escamis to Mark Yi. Yes.
No, those are crucial points for Marky. And you know, Mark can actually opportunity here.
Great quarter for Mark Yi, 6 points. And good stop. Ooh, na-recover nila yung bola. Agovida with a dipsidoo.
What a move.
Has the ball. 30 seconds remaining. Agovida. Atake. Agovida. And Chad Alonso cleans it up. 1-point game. Sumang, binigay kay Sidorifa. Oh, wow. What a move kay Joseph Sidorifa. Third. Alday on the move. Alwin. You have to check this. Binabatay ni Balagtas. Talio inside. Talio.
Oh.
Yes! Between the legs, step back.
Medyo malamig, galing bench.
Sumang. The jumper is good.
Man. Oh, man. Made a risk there.
Viloria gets away from the D.
Yeah.
And Sidorifa was a good 2 steps away on that layup.
And let's remind everyone.
Sumang. They get the switch against Apasible. Sumang!
Oh, man.
Big shot! Roy Sumang! Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending. Look out for Roy Sumang. Drop pass, Cañete. The extra pass to Yi. And the crowd explodes inside. Sumang. 3-pointer. Wala. Marky has been incredible. 10 points and 10 rebounds for Marky.
Well, needless to say, the veterans have taken over this game for the Abra Weavers. Marky, Roy Sumang, and this guy has stayed composed amidst all
the fanfare and hoopla surrounding this home game.
Right.
And Mayor J.B. Bernos ready to celebrate with the rest of the Abreños.